Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update drivers for Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So start on your Windows 11 desktop and then click the Windows icon in the taskbar next to the search box, then select Settings. If you don't see settings, you can use the search box to type and locate it. And once you're in your settings, go to the left hand menu and click Windows Update at the bottom here. So from here, click Check for Updates to see if there are any updates available for your system, including drivers. So just update it. But if you want to update a specific driver, then you can try these steps. So go to the search box in the taskbar and type Device Manager and then just click Device Manager from the search results to open it. So from here, locate the category of the driver you want to update. For example, to update sound drivers, just expand sound, video, and game controllers by clicking on the small arrow next to it, like so. And then afterwards, just right click on the driver you want to update and select Update Driver. So you will then be presented with two options here: search automatically for drivers and browse my computer for drivers. So just select search automatically for drivers because this lets Windows find and install the latest drivers for you. So if an update is available, it will be installed. But if your driver is already up to date, Windows will notify you. So basically, this is how you can update drivers for Windows 11. So I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we'd really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.